Hello everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar Pokala and I'm a PhD scholar at the Indian Institute of Science. The title of our paper is ConformNet, Convolutional Formnet and Application to Image Denoising and Imprinting. My co-authors are Prakash Kumar Uttam from Defense Research and Development Organization, India, and Professor Chandrasekhar Silamantala from the Indian Institute of Science. In this paper, we develop a new non-convex convolutional sparse coding formulation based on the minimax concave penalty. We develop the optimization technique as well as a deep unfolded version, which considers the problem within a learning paradigm. We shall demonstrate application to image denoising and imprinting. To begin with, we briefly discuss the limitations of existing approaches and the motivation for our work. We mention in brief the background of sparse coding, convolutional sparse coding, and corresponding learning-based approaches. Convolutional sparse coding has been considered based on a convex relaxation of the L0 norm. Non-convex approaches for the classical sparse coding problem have been considered, although not in equal measure for the convolutional sparse coding problem. The non-convex penalty that is of interest to us is the minimax concave penalty. We shall use this penalty as the regularizer for convolutional sparse coding. We shall refer to the approach as minimax concave penalty regularized convolutional sparse coding, in short, MC2SC. We develop an efficient algorithm, namely convolutional IFTA, and a model-based architecture, namely ConformNet, obtained by deep unfolding of the SIPTA iterations for solving the MC2SC problem. Finally, we demonstrate the efficacy of the ConformNet with application to image denoising and imprinting. Convolutional sparse coding has benefits over traditional patch-based sparse coding, the benefits being low latency translation invariance. Convex relaxation approaches for solving the convolutional sparse coding problem have been developed. However, convex relaxation is known to result in biased estimates. The objective of our work is to develop an efficient non-convex CSE formulation and to devise a computationally efficient learning framework. On the application front, we shall consider image denoising and imprinting. The actual sparse coding formulation employs the L0 norm, but the optimization is NP-hard. The L1 minimization approach is a convex relaxation of the L0 problem and results in a sparse solution under certain conditions. Moving to convexity, the L1 norm approach results in faster algorithms with global convergence guarantees. Beck et al. Proposed FISTA, which is a computationally efficient algorithm for performing L1 minimization. However, L1 approaches are known to result in biased amplitude estimates. They are also inefficient when the number of patches are large. A model-based neural network, namely learned ISTA, was developed by Greger and Lecon by deep unfolding of the ISTA iterations. This approach improved the accuracy of sparse coding. They used a mean squared error as the loss function for training. A three-layered list architecture is shown here with the trainable parameters U, V, lambda. LISTA also has limitations such as biased amplitude estimates and inaccurate support recovery. When applied to images, LISTA operates on patches and associated limitations also apply. In 2010, Zhang introduced the minimax concave penalty or MCP as an alternative to L1 penalty to alleviate the bias issues in the L1 penalty. Recently, we employed the MCP for sparse coding and developed the iterative form thresholding algorithm, abbreviated IFTA. IFTA lacks global convergence guarantees, but we found that it results in better estimates of the sparse code compared to ISTA or FISTA. We also considered its unfolded version, namely FORMNet. When trained with the Huber laws, it was robust to outliers. Just as IFTA overcame the limitations of ISTA, FORMNet overcame the limitations of LISTA. As applied to images, The standard sparse coding formulation has a fundamental limitation. It assumes that the image patches are independent of one another. The independence assumption often leads to many basis vectors that are simply translated versions of one another. Convolutional sparse coding rectifies the shortcoming as it inherently contains shift invariance. The objective is to find kernels and sparse feature maps by optimizing the L1 regularized CSC objective function given here. The key difference between standard and convolutional sparse coding approach is the structure of the dictionary. The dictionary in convolutional sparse coding is a concatenation of Toeplitz matrices. The optimization can proceed with the use of ISTA. However, by replacing the matrix vector product with the convolutions between the kernels and the sparse codes as shown here. Schroeter et al. Introduced the convolutional counterpart of LISTA, namely convolutional LISTA, that overcomes the shortcomings of LISTA. Convolutional LISTA was shown to be efficient in terms of runtime complexity over traditional patch-based dictionary learning methods such as KSVD. They demonstrated application to image denoising and inpainting. We propose a non-convex CSC formulation called minimax concave regularized convolutional sparse coding. We develop convolutional iterative form thresholding algorithm and a model-based network called convolutional formnet, in short, ConformNet, which is a deep unfolded version of the SIFTA iterations for optimizing the MC2SC objective. We demonstrate the efficacy of ConformNet considering application to image denoising and inpainting. The MCP is a non-convex relaxation of the L0 pseudonorm and was originally introduced by Zhang. It results in an unbiased amplitude estimate unlike L1 minimization. The MCP is a family of non-convex regularizers parameterized by alpha. As alpha goes to 0, MCP approaches the L1 norm, and as alpha approaches infinity, it approaches the L0 pseudonorm. This slide shows the MCP regularized CSC formulation. M denotes a binary mask whose elements take values either 0 or 1. This formulation unified and enables a seamless switch between image denoising and inpainting applications. Since the MC2SC objective is non-convex, the successive convex approximation procedure optimizes MC2SC by constructing several convex subproblems based on the majorization minimization principle. The solution to the subproblem in the context of MCP turns out to be the form thresholding operator, which is given here. The proposed convolutional extension of iterative form thresholding algorithm is based on SEA. The SIFTA update step is given here. Since the local descent property is satisfied in successive convex approximations, SIFTA is guaranteed to converge to a stationary point. We replace the parameters of the nonlinearity, such as lambda and gamma, and preset kernels such as DIs in the SIFTA update with the trainable parameters, WE, WD, lambda, and gamma. The update resembles a layer in a convolutional neural network. Convolutions followed by a nonlinearity. The network obtained by deep unfolding of SIFTA iterations with learnable parameters is referred to as the convolutional formnet or ConformNet for short. The structure of a layer in ConformNet is shown here. Shown in this slide is the autoencoder architecture obtained by adding a trainable convolution layer at the output of the ConformNet with L layers. We consider image denoising and inpainting for demonstrating the applicability of ConformNet. We consider clean natural images from the Pascal-Vogt dataset. Noisy images were obtained from the clean ones by adding zero mean white Gaussian noise with a required standard deviation. We considered ConformNet with 20 layers. We have chosen 256 kernels per layer, each of size 3x3. The whole dataset is divided in the ratio 8:20 for training and testing. The initialization for convolutional neural networks, convolutional kernels, is random with entries drawn from a uniform distribution, and the parameters of nonlinearity such as lambda and gamma are initialized as shown here. The ConformNet is trained with the Huber loss, which is robust to outliers. The Huber loss parameter is set to 1 in both image denoising and inpainting. All the entries of matrix are equal to 1 in image denoising, while for image inpainting, the entries are drawn from a Bernoulli distribution with parameter 0.5. ConformNet trained with the Huber loss resulted in a superior denoising performance. The average PSNR and its standard deviation computed over 20 trials are reported in this table. The results show that ConformNet is superior to convolutional LISTA. ConformNet also has a better performance than BM3D in about 80% of the test cases. We next assess the robustness of ConformNet and convolutional LISTA to noise level mismatch. The networks are trained with noisy data, standard deviation of noise being 20. The trained models are validated on test data with a different standard deviation than encountered in the training. We consider sigma 5, 15, 30 during testing. The performance of convolutional LISTA and ConformNet is reported in the table. The results show that ConformNet is more robust to noise level mismatch than convolutional LISTA. On this slide, we compare the images denoised using various techniques. The zoomed in portions of the images are also shown. These results confirm that ConformNet results in a superior denoising performance than the other techniques. For preparing training and testing data, images with missing pixel information were constructed from the clean images by multiplying with a mask drawn from a Bernoulli distribution with a probability of 0.5. The learnable parameters of ConformNet and convolutional LISTA for the inpainting application are initialized with the values of the parameters of the pre-trained model used in image denoising. The inpainting performance is quantified using PSNR. The PSNR values are averaged over 20 realizations and presented in the table shown on this slide. The inpainted images obtained from the convolutional LISTA and the ConformNet are shown on this slide. By visual inspection, we see that ConformNet outperforms convolutional LISTA. Conclusions. We proposed the use of minimax concave regularization in the context of convolutional sparse coding problem. We developed the convolutional iterative form thresholding algorithm to optimize the MC to SC cast and demonstrated applications to image denoising and inpainting. Deep unfolding of SIPTA iterations led to the ConformNet, which upon training gave superior performance. We demonstrated the efficacy of sparse recurrent autoencoder based on ConformNet with application to image denoising and inpainting in comparison with the state-of-the-art techniques. In addition, we have shown that ConformNet is robust to noise level mismatch during training and testing than convolutional LISTA. Here are some key references. We would like to thank the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, India, and Robert Bosch Center for Cyber Physical Systems, IISc Bangalore. With that, I conclude my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention.